I often get asked how I make my t-shirts. I start by selecting a book character like Cherry, the mice cream. Next I do a quick sketch of my design. It's usually very messy, but it gives me an idea of how everything fits together. I copy my drawing into the computer using a flatbed scanner. Then I use a design program to create a series of shapes. I move, stretch and distort the shapes until everything is in the right position. Next I flatten the design into layers. The layers are used to create stencils for each colour. Most of the designs only have 2 colours, but sometimes there is an extra layer for glitter. I like to visit the t-shirt factory to choose the perfect colours. The shirts are then printed on a screen printing machine. Each colour is printed separately. The shirts are put into a special oven to dry and then packed into boxes. Did someone say mice cream? Yum.